We're all looking for ways to cut back and save money, and those monthly bills and recurring subscriptions are often the first place to look. That's where a tool like PocketGuard steps in to simplify the process. PocketGuard works by securely connecting to your financial accounts. Its algorithm automatically identifies all your recurring payments, from utility bills to all those streaming services and software subscriptions. This creates a comprehensive bill tracker, showing you exactly what you pay, when it's due, and how it impacts your budget. For subscriptions, this feature is incredibly valuable because it highlights charges you might have forgotten about. To help you lower bills, PocketGuard partners with a bill negotiation service like BillShark. You simply submit your bill information for things like cable, cell phone, or internet, and their partner negotiates a better rate on your behalf. If they succeed, you split the savings, but if they don't, you pay nothing. It's an easy way to reduce monthly expenses without the hassle of negotiating yourself. For subscriptions you don't need, PocketGuard acts as a subscription manager. It shows you the full list of your recurring charges, making it easy to spot duplicates or services you no longer use. While PocketGuard itself doesn't automatically cancel them, it provides clear instructions on how to cancel unwanted subscriptions, helping you stop paying for forgotten expenses and instantly free up cash in your budget. By bringing all your recurring costs into one view, flagging forgotten subscriptions, and offering bill negotiation, PocketGuard gives you the control and insight needed to actively manage and reduce your overall monthly spending.